Hey friends, if you wish to choose between different versions of English like English USA and English from other countries and you are curious about which one to use, then please watch this video. Now first of all, how to choose. Right click on the start button, select settings. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select language and region in the right pane. So we can add multiple languages here, but usually on computers English United States is the default language. You can add and then you can search for English. Let's say you can add Australian English. So American English is very different from English in every other part of the world because English in other parts of the world follow the Commonwealth or the British standard. Okay, I would rather say the standard that is used in England. So the pronunciations are different, but when it comes to writing, the word favor is okay in American English. But the second I change it to FOVOUR as you write in British English, it will turn it red. Similarly for color, it is right in American English, but when I change it to CAOLOUR, which is used worldwide, it will turn it red. Now, I don't mind this because I know that these spellings are right, but if you want to make sure that you do not get these red lines for words that are very commonly used in international versions of English, then you can use a different version of English. Choose like Australian or Canadian or British English in that case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.